password protected files on your Newline Engage board if you're creating an escape room or if you want students to answer a question before going to the next page. To create a password protected page, first find thumbnail view that is on the bottom row. For page number 1, the answer is 32. So I will put the answer 32 on page 2. To add this password of 32, I will click the 3 dots and click toggle password. Once I have the correct answer, I will press save, and your Newline Engage board will refresh. Now we can see there is a lock for page 2 that they can't get to until they have typed in the correct answer. On page 2, I have a question, and it is, what is the capital of Texas? Since our headquarters is in Texas. For them to move on to page 3, I will put the answer on page 3. Again, I click the 3 dots for page 3 and toggle password. These are case sensitive, so if you have an uppercase in your password, you might want to leave a hint on the page for them to remember to capitalize any letters. Now I have my locks and they can't go to page 2 or 3 without answering the correct passwords. So now we will look to see what this looks like on a student board. When they click the arrow to go to page 2, you can see this is where they enter the password. If students enter the incorrect password, it does not allow them to move forward. Now they are on page 2. Again, to get to page 3, they need to enter the correct password. And as you can see, it did not allow me to move on until I capitalized that first letter.